In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Waze no audio or sound issues on your Android device. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or cruising along a scenic highway, clear audio directions from Waze are essential. So let's walk through some troubleshooting steps to get your sound back on track. First, let's dive into Waze's sound settings. Open the Waze app and tap on the hamburger menu, which is the three horizontal lines usually found in the top corner of your screen. From there, head into the settings, often symbolized by a gear icon. Once in settings, look for the voice and sound section and tap on it. Here, ensure that the voice directions toggle is switched on. Sometimes this setting might be accidentally turned off, causing the lack of audio directions. Next, take a look at the app volume slider to make sure it's set to an audible level. Another handy tip is to try switching to a different Waze voice. Occasionally, there might be a glitch with a particular voice, and choosing another can resolve it. If you are using Bluetooth, try toggling the play sound via phone speaker option. This can help when Bluetooth connections interfere, leading to audio oddities. Once we've ensured the app settings are correct, let's move on to resetting permissions and cache. Exit Waze and head into your Android settings menu. Navigate to Apps and then find Waze in the list of installed applications. Tap on it and then go into Permissions. Here, confirm that both the microphone and location permissions are allowed. These permissions are crucial because Waze needs access to your microphone to deliver accurate audio directions, and location permissions are vital for its navigation functionality. Next, find Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This action will remove any temporary files that might be causing issues without affecting your personal data stored in the app. Do note, though, that clearing the app data is more drastic and should only be done if absolutely necessary, as it will reset the app completely. If those steps haven't resolved the issue, the problem might reside in the version of the app you are using. Let's make sure Waze is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, tap on your profile picture, and go to Manage Apps and Devices. Here, check for any updates available for Waze. If an update is present, proceed to download and install it. Sometimes, simply having the latest version of the app can fix unseen bugs. Should updating not yield results, consider uninstalling the app entirely and then reinstalling it from the Play Store. This can often clear up stubborn issues by starting fresh. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the sound issues on Waze, enjoy uninterrupted navigation, and drive safe.